The interfacing option is used to set up the settings for Dolphin Imaging and VistaDent. We currently interface with those two imaging softwares. We're not going to complete this area because it's only specific if you signed up for that. So let's OK out of here. So that's basically what you can do in the user area. And it's primarily for the clearance, but setting up the printers is nice. The users can actually do that themselves using my settings, which we'll go over in another section. But that's basically the user section. Scheduler. You can set up your scheduler duration in here and your start and end times for the entire week. We take you all the way through Sunday. Some offices are open on the weekend. You can fill just the first one out and then set all of them to the same time. That's a great time saver. Or do that and then modify them as necessary. You can leave them blank if you're not open that day. You can use color blocking for openings. You can, if you want, check that off. If you decide you want to do that later, you can set that up in the scheduler as well. Appointment descriptions can be set up in here with default durations. This helps when you're doing your scheduling. If you have a particular type of service that takes a certain length of time, when you make that appointment, it will set it up for that duration, and you can apply colors to this. So all you need to do is click Insert, put in your description. See, there's the autofill option. Let's do that again so you can see that. All I did was type, let me go over there. Don't save it. Insert. Okay. I just typed in an N, and it basically guessed, based on what I already had in the appointment list, that it's a new patient, and it pre-filled that. So it saved me all that typing. My appointment duration is set to 30 minutes. Maybe for a new patient, I want to have it 45 minutes. I can select a color for that and OK it. And that just sets it up. It's a nice graphical view to have colors on your schedule, and you'll see that in the scheduled training section. And it added it to my list. When you're done with this list, just click on Close. And you can also access that list from the scheduler, but if you're in here and want to set that up in advance, you can do that. Electronic settings are also done in here. And we're not going to go over this section because it is specific. If you sign up for electronic transmission, we will walk you through this individually because it is very individual. You'll receive certain numbers and settings and paths all from the electronic company, and we'll fill this area out accordingly. So click OK to exit that area.